Arpun, please tell about the role of mentor in IIT JEE preparation.
Oh, okay, so this is an aspect which is talked less about. Uh, so whenever you meet a student who has done well in the JEE exams or in general any very tough competitive exams like that, so often people ask how did you prepare, what books did you solve, etc., etc. But this is a thing nobody asks about because the need for a mentor is felt only by students who are currently in the midst of it. Nobody anticipates the need of a mentor when planning to start the thing. So say in 9th and 10th a student plans to start preparing for JEE Advanced. Nobody anticipates that he or she may need a mentor. It is only when he or she gets into the thick of the things that she feels the need, and by the time uh, all the exams take place and it is too late. So this is a very important thing that needs to be discussed. So
Okay, sorry to interrupt you, Arpun, over here, but the teachers who have guided you, or the teachers who teaches you or who taught you, doesn't they have a role, or doesn't they play as a mentor to your life? So then what is the need of an extra mentor? Why this question I am asking, because I am also not very clear about the role of the mentor.
this is another big misconception which people have about JEE Advanced. Especially people think to crack JEE Advanced one only needs to study like a crazy 12 hours a day and only needs to have good teachers for all subjects. But a role of a mentor is beyond that of technical teaching. Technical teaching is obviously the bedrock of preparation, but let me explain what a mentor does. Suppose you listen to a subject in class, and there are many books that you can solve. So which books you should solve in which order, and these considerations lie beyond technical ones. Also,
But in the class, teacher also tells you from which module you have to do, which books you have to refer. That teacher also tells you in the class.
but that is in most of the cases that is very vague and not suited to a student's personal needs. Let me explain. A teacher may say that okay, one needs to solve 150 problems in a day. So if you solve 150 problems in a day, in what suppose many students can't cope up with that amount of pressure in the beginning. Also suppose many good students especially, they have parallel side exams going on. Many of them want to appear for some Olympiads and stuff, and coaching class don't factor into account those things. So what a mentor does is a mentor customizes your day-to-day preparation.
Actually, you
For
are telling that it is on an individual basis, that when in a class, a teacher teaches and gives some instruction to do some selected problems or whatever number of problems that is addressed to the entire class or the batch of 20 or 30 students, right?
Yeah.
But you want to tell that you want a one-to-one mentor who will specifically the course or the subject he or she will customize it for you, for each and individual student, correct? Okay, please continue.
Moreover, as I said, the needs of each student differ. That's where a mentor is needed. So let me explain. So in my case, I'll talk about my case so that things become clear. So in my case, my mentor was my mother. It is not as if she technically taught me anything, but but since I had so many parallel tracks going on, I did not study only for JEE Advanced for the whole 3 years from 10th to 12th. I had side by side math Olympiad going on, later chemistry Olympiad going on. I had my school going on, and in a coaching class, they can hardly accommodate so many needs, and a coaching class will always tell you to do things which is planned according to their timetable. So they will ask you to solve the module keeping in mind the test series they have planned. But suppose, as is the case nowadays, most students have taken 2 or 3 test series. So suppose if one student finds a test series better than another one and he or she wants to complete the portion with respect to that test series, then a mismatch happens. That is where a role of a mentor comes in. So for example, I can share my experience. I can also share the experience of my friends. So for example, one of my friends in fact hired a mentor. Nowadays even this business is coming up for nearly 2 to 3 lakh rupees. What the person did was to guide which test series he or she should give, because not all test series can be suited are suited for all students. Some test series are too tough, and suppose you have not finished your syllabus and you score low marks, then you get demotivated. Suppose you are very good in physics and maths, but you lack in chemistry, and you take a test series which right from the beginning itself asks high level of chemistry questions. Again, you get demotivated. So this amount of personal tailoring cannot be done by a coaching class. This is done for very ultra rarefied batches in the top. So in each coaching class, suppose the students who have scored very good ranks, they usually have 1 or 2 teachers assigned by the coaching class to them who
are working as a mentor,
who alongside teaching technical stuff also work as a mentor, who factor in the needs of the student to do the things. In my case, it was my mother. In a few other students' case, as I told you, there are nowadays mentors coming in who charge a certain amount of fees and do the things. And and the second thing is, many people don't appreciate the work these people do, because the need for these people is felt only by the student who is in the midst of the things. Otherwise,
or maybe at the end of the preparation.
Otherwise, I can tell you the experience of my friends. Many of my friends say that coaching class asked us to solve this many problems, and we got caught in the fervor of the IT exam. Okay, we have to study this much. They studied, and 6 months later they forgot everything. There was no direction to their preparation. There was no organization to their preparation. Where does this thing start from? Where does it end? Then there are emotional things also. Suppose many exams come in your way, the coaching class mock test series, KVPY, Olympiads, and suppose you are not able to perform up to your expectations in these exams. You go through emotional up and downs. Then also you need a parent, a teacher, or a mentor figure who can hold you steady, who can assure you about what your true capabilities are. So these are various facets, and in fact, just yesterday a friend of mine was regretting that he could not even dream of doing IIT because he did not have a support system, as he called it, which I call as mentorship. And many people now misinterpret mentorship as I should not take names, but a few teachers, they interpret mentorship as sending question papers on WhatsApp and fast clearing of doubts as mentorship. Well, this is an important aspect. Getting your doubts cleared in time is obviously important, and getting question papers, but these teachers think that personally sticking around with students and cramming a whole lot of material down their throats is mentorship. That is not the case. A mentor will personally customize things for you, give direction to your preparation, and
who can take the emotional charge of you when you are going down.
Yes, and you might have heard in sports also that every sports player obviously has a coach, and the coach, you might have heard, gives them a lot of motivation and a direction to their things, apart from just teaching them the technical stuff. Because in case of sports, the sports persons in technical matter are better than their coaches. Obviously, that's why they are playing and the coach is coaching. But the coach streamlines. Okay, so for example, suppose you have to compete in the Olympics 4 years from now, but you also have national level things coming up. So how can you manage? Suppose you lost, could not perform up to your expectations. If you have watched the movie Dangal, that is partially what the Amir Khan character does for the wrestler. Because you see, in the latter half of the movie, Amir Khan's character loses the ability to technically improve his daughter anymore. But he gives her preparation a direction. He gives her the motivation. That's what the role of a mentor is.
Okay, thank you, Arpon. Thank you for your valuable feedback.